Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dhanushar. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today our subject is OOPS with Java. OOPS is Object Oriented Program. In that our topic is operators in Java. Assignment operators in Java. Assignment operators are a fundamental aspect of Java programming, enabling to assign values to variables and manipulate data effectively. Let's explore the different types of assignments operators and their applications. In these operators, we can just assign the values to the variables as a variables, and we can manipulate the data. Then we can change the data at the running time. What are assignment operators? One is value assignment, and the second one is variable modification, and the third one is code readability. First one is value assignment. Assignment operators facilitate the process of storing values into variables, enabling data manipulation and calculation. We can enable the we can do the data manipulation and at a time the calculation too. In the second, variable modification. They provide a concise way to modify the value of variable used on its current value, simplifying code and enhancing efficiency. We can enhance efficiency by simplifying the code. We can just simplify the code based on the current values. And code readability. Assignment operators contribute to code readability by expressing data multiplication in a clear, concise manner, making the code easier to understand and maintain. We can read the code easily, and we can maintain the uh, we can maintain and we can understand the code easily. That is called the code readability. We can common people can read a code in a simple way. Basic assignment operators, that's equal to fundamental function. The equal to operation assigns the value on the right to the variable on the left. For example, there is a int x is equal to 10. The assigns the value 10 to the variable x. That is, if we are giving value for the integer, like give value for the variable, that is x, that is x is a variable, then the value for the x is 10. Next is compound assignment operators. Efficiency syntax example. The efficiency and the syntax example, it is example for the syntax. It is very easy and it is very important to learn the syntax and example to execute any codes. And efficiency. These operators combine an arithmetic operation with assignment in a single step. The syntax is variable operator is equal to expression. We can see in example that x plus is equal to 5 is equivalent to the x is equal to x plus 5. That is, we are giving a operator at the right side, then it in that is equal to the that is equal to the next step of the x. X is equal to x plus 5. That is a simple expression. Everyone can read simply. Shorthand operators. Plus is equal to, minus is equal to, and star is equal to, y is equal to, and uh, percentage is equal to. Here, addition and assignment, subtraction and assignment, multiplication and assignment, division and assignment, modulo and assignment. We can see that the addition is in the front of the equal to. In the last example, we have seen that the left side of the addition is shifted towards the right side when it is added to the operator. Same as the subtraction, multiplication, and the division and the modulo. Increment and decrement operators. Here we can see the increment. That is, first one is increment, decrement, and the third one is a prefix and postfix. In the first increment, you can see the addition, two addition symbols. That's called the increment. You can increase the value of a variable by one. When the plus two addition symbols are added, then we should know that the increment operation is added here, operator is added here, then we can increase the value variable by one. And the decrement, the two subtraction symbols are added here, decrease the value of a variable by one. We can decrease the value of the variable by one. Here we should know that when the two subtraction symbols are there, then we should know that the decrement operator is added here, and we can the value of the variable is decreased by one. That is called the decrement. Postfix and prefix. The position of the operator before or after of the variable is in the increment or decrement occurs. That is prefix or postfix. Prefix is before and the postfix is after. The position of the operator can change like before or after or in the increment or that is called increment or decrement occurs there. Order of operations with assignment operators. First one is parenthesis. Second one is unary operator. Third one is arithmetic operator. And the fourth one is assignment operators. First one, parenthesis. Expression within parentheses are evaluated first. Unary operator. Increment and decrement operators are evaluated next. And the third one is arithmetic operator. Multiplication, division, and modulo are evaluated before addition or, and subtraction. In the arithmetic operators, then the multiplication, division, and modulo are evaluated first. Then we should go for the next addition and the subtraction. It's a simple one. Assignment operators. Assignment operators are evaluated last from the right to left. The assignment operations which we have assigned are evaluated at the last from right to the left using assignment operators in expression. First is calculation. Assignment operators can be used within expression to calculate and update values. Here we can use the assignment operators that we need to calculate. We need to calculate the values. Then we can update by using the calculator operators. Loop. They are commonly used within loops to modify variables and control iterations. The third one is conditional statements. Assignment operators can be used to modify variables based on the condition. We can change the operators based on the condition statements. And the common pitfalls and best practices. In that, the first one is side effects, and the second one is type compatibility, and third one is code clarity. Be aware of the side effects of the increment and decrement operators, especially when using them in expressions. When we are using them, increment and decrement operators, we should be aware what the operator is used, increment or decrement. And the second one is type compatibility. Ensure that the types of variables and expressions used with assignment operators are compatible. We should know that we should know what type of variables and expressions used in the assignment operator that can be compatible. And the third one is code clarity. Use assignment operators strategically to readable and execution. We should see code clarity. It is clearly correct one, or whether we need to be modified first. Recap and key takeaways. In that, the first one is assignment operators, and the second step is compound operators, and third one is increment and decrement. We have already known about the increment decrement, and the first is assignment operators. We have already read that. The assignment operators are essential for assigning values to variables and manipulating data in Java. If we need to manipulate the data, we use the assignment operators at the to assign a values to the variables. Compound operators enhance code efficiency by combining arithmetic operations with assignments. You can enhance the code efficiency by combining the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc., with the assignments. Increment and decrement to provide a concise way to increase and or decrease the value of a variable. These are used to increase or decrease the value of a variable. We have already seen that. Thank you for listening me and keep supporting.